Ever wondered if there's a way to ditch your landline without sacrificing quality or reliability? Well, I've got the answer for you today. Let's dive into the world of Ooma and find out if this popular VoIP service is truly free to use. Ooma's popularity. Ooma has been making waves in the telecommunications industry for years, offering a cost-effective alternative to traditional landlines. But is it really as affordable as it seems? VoIP basics. Before we jump into Ooma's pricing, let's quickly recap what VoIP is. VoIP, or Voice over Internet Protocol, is a technology that allows you to make phone calls over the internet instead of a traditional phone network. The free Ooma Basic Plan. Key features. Ooma offers a free basic plan that includes a decent set of features, such as unlimited local and nationwide calling, voicemail, caller ID, and call waiting. Limitations. While the free plan is great for basic needs, it does have some limitations. For example, you won't be able to use advanced features like call forwarding, conference calling, or a dedicated business number. Hardware requirements. Keep in mind that you'll need to purchase an Ooma Telo device to use the free plan. This device is a small box that connects to your internet router. Ooma Premium, a paid upgrade. Additional features. If you need more advanced features, Ooma offers a premium plan for a monthly fee. The premium plan includes features like call forwarding, conference calling, a dedicated business number, and integration with popular business apps. Cost-benefit analysis. Is it worth paying for the premium plan? It depends on your needs. If you frequently use advanced features or need a dedicated business line, the premium plan might be a good investment. However, if you only need basic calling features, the free plan might be sufficient. Hidden costs and fees. Taxes and fees. While Ooma itself is free, be aware that you may still need to pay taxes and fees to your local phone company. These fees can vary depending on your location. Hardware costs. In addition to the initial cost of the Ooma Telo device, you may also need to purchase additional equipment, such as headsets or adapters, depending on your setup. Alternatives to Ooma. Competitor comparison. There are other VoIP providers on the market that offer similar features to Ooma. Some of these competitors may have different pricing structures or additional features. Choosing the right provider. When choosing a VoIP provider, it's important to consider your specific needs, budget, and preferences. Research different providers to find the best fit for you. Recap. So, is Ooma truly free to use? Yes, but there are some important things to keep in mind. The free basic plan is a great option for those who only need basic calling features, but the premium plan is necessary for advanced features. Final thoughts. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use Ooma depends on your individual needs and budget. By carefully considering the pros and cons, you can make an informed choice about the best VoIP provider for you. Subscribe and like. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips and reviews. And if you have any questions about Ooma or other VoIP services, leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.